Hello everyone, today we are going to learn TOC. Under the TOC, the Mealy machine. First we will understand what is Mealy machine, what are the tuples of Mealy machine, and after that we will see one example to understand Mealy machine in detail. Till now we have seen finite automata. Under that finite automata we have seen NFA and DFA. In finite automata we have seen NFA and DFA. We know that finite automata don't have any kind of output. Finite automata don't have any kind of output, but there is one type of machine, that Mealy machine and Moore machine, which associated with output. Yes, so we'll see the tuples. There are 6 tuples in Mealy machine. Very first, the number of state, input symbol, output alphabets, transition, the output transition, and starting state. As we know that we have seen the tuples in NFA, in DFA. We know NFA, DFA have 5 tuples. How many tuples? 5 tuples in NFA, DFA both. But in Mealy machine we will have 6 tuples. So we'll see directly one example, and after that we'll come to know how the tuples have been associated with the Mealy machine. So the question is, we'll take first question, very simple. Design a Mealy machine. What we have to design? Design a Mealy machine that gives an output 1. What is output? Output 1 if the input string ends with BAB. What is string end with? BAB. If we know that, if you remember in previous lectures in DFA we have seen some examples where the strings end with BAB. First we will try to draw Mealy machine. As we know that in Mealy machine there is output also. So first Q0, this is starting state. What string we are looking for? BAB. And whenever BAB will occur, it must give the output as 1. Q0, first we will see B. Q1, it will give A. Q2, it will give B. Fine. BAB. Now we'll see under the DFA rule, Q0, B is there. Then what about A? A can be with self loop. Now Q1, there is A transition is there. We are looking for B transition. So with B transition, if I go with self loop, there is no problem. Now we'll check for Q2. A is finished. What about B? What about A? A, I can go to the some other state. Now as I told you that in Mealy machine, what we have to check? We have to associate it with output also. And what is the output? Whenever BAB will occur, it must output with 1. BAB. Output must be 1. That means the string is going to accept. Else the string should be end with 0. This is 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 end with 0. That means output is going to print with 0. But in this problem, you can see that A BA, output is going to give 0. So which is correct? BAB, output is 1, which is correct. That means whenever BAB will occur, it must be print with 1. In this scenario, if we deal with BBAA, it will print 0. That means whenever BAB will occur, it must output with 1, else it output with 0. With the same problem, we'll see the tuples, how the tuples are there. First, Q, number of states. How many states are here? Q0, Q1 and Q2. These three are the states. After the states, input symbol. What is input symbol? Input symbol are A, B. What is output symbol? Output symbol are 0, 1. After that, Q0, starting state. What is Q0? Q0 is starting state. Now how to write the transitions? That means the delta. Let's consider Q0 is a state. After taking A as an input, it go to Q0 itself. But same time, delta transition, Q0 is a state. After taking A, what is the output? Output is 0. So for Q0, whenever it will take A, it will go to Q1, that will be the delta, and this is lambda, output function, and lambda Q0 after taking A, it gives 0. Let's write for some other. We'll write for Q1. Q1, whenever it will take A as an input, what is the state? State is Q2. What will be the delta function? Q1, after taking A, it gives 0. The same functions you can write for all the states with both A as an input and B as an input. So with the Mealy machine example, we can have clear. We'll take a quick review. What is Mealy machine? In Mealy machine, the output is associated with Mealy machine. That means something like DFA, we have to draw BAB, but we have to check whenever BAB will there, it must be accepted with the 1. In DFA concept, if you remember that whenever we are reaching the final state, the string is going to accept. Whenever DFA is going to final, string is accepted. On the same line, in Mealy machine, whenever output will be 1, that means string is going to accepted. In this string, you can run whenever BAB will occur, that BBAB. So BAB, it will occur 1. Else it must output with the 0. The tuples, input, number of states, the output, the transition for the state, transition for output symbol, and Q0 will be the final state. If we compare our DFA with Mealy machine, we will come to know that no final state. In Mealy, there is no final state, but in Mealy there is output is associated with the every transition. So in simpler language, in Mealy machine, the present state and present input associated with the states. So every transition associated with some kind of input and output. In Mealy machine, the output is associated with the transitions on the present state. Thank you for the listening.